Hey guys, it's Christina here again from According to Kay. Alright, so I have the car up on the curb right here at my complex, and I was doing a little bit of checking, and you let me know what you think, but I think I'm going to need some reinforcements on this. Alright, so coming underneath my car here, so I'm up on a slant, and I'll show you here. I am up on a slant here. My wheels up. And so now, what I'm gonna try to do is get under the vehicle. But trying to get under the car, I'm noticing the clearance here, guys. If you can see, the clearance is not a big enough clearance to fit me without a lot of work. So it looks like I might have to get some jacks. Quick order on Amazon, ordering some jacks, about 3 to 5 ton jacks to hold the car's weight, and then I'm back in business. So I went ahead and I took some photos so you guys can kind of see the clearance that I'm working with on my car. It's about 2 cell phone lengths high, regular cell phone, 1.5 maybe, 1 3/4, something like that. So it's not a lot of clearance, and if some of you are wondering, well, why do you need stands if you're going to use the cement to be able to keep your vehicle up? Don't you have a jack? Well, when you're doing an oil change on your own, you really have to be careful, even if you're not on your own actually, to make sure that the car is up and doesn't fall down on you. So I could use my car jack, but for an SUV of this size, a car of this size, I would rather use stands that are built to hold the tonnage that my vehicle weighs, so that when I am releasing the oil and doing what I have to do under the car, it doesn't come down on me and I'm stuck, or worse. So that's why I didn't use that. So it isn't just to get under the car, but it's also to not have the car come back down on me. So 1 checked off, yep, car won't come down on me because it's on cement. But 2, will I be able to get under there and see what I'm doing? Probably not. So knowing that, I'm getting the stands, and then I'll see you for part 3, as I mentioned. I do want to give a shout out to AutoZone. Again, they're not sponsoring this video, but I do want to give a shout out to them. They're amazing, and they helped me to get my tools opened up right away. Didn't even ask if I bought them there, just said, sure, here's some here. They started to do it themselves, and they said, here, you can continue, and helped me to open them up. And then sent me on my way. So for those of you that are DIY, especially if you're female and you're unfamiliar with doing things on your own that are usually a little bit more labor intensive, or you're just not familiar in that world with tools and how to open things and stuff like that, just ask. You never know. Most places, just for customer service of it, are, you just never know. They may be very helpful and willing to help you out, and because they see you as a future customer, you'll remember them, and who knows where that might lead, right? So shout out to AutoZone. You guys are awesome. And that also happens to be where I bought my oil and my filter, but I don't think they remembered me from when I bought it. So even me going in and asking for help was like, it's a new guy that helped me out, so that was pretty cool. Thanks for sticking with me on this journey. We're not done yet, but I'm super excited. We have everything we need. I got the ratchets out of the container. I have everything I need. Just need to make sure I can shimmy under the vehicle. So stay tuned for part 3.